Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of What's in the Box? What's in the Box? Welcome. Thank you for tuning in to Trudge On Through. My name is Rob, and we have an unboxing from Mental Raccoon Glass. Let's see what's in the box. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff off of Mental Raccoon Glass's Mercari website. His shop that's on Mercari. And I ordered a bunch of pendants. I'm thinking of making a moving, like a mobile, moving art piece out of all these. So, Mental Raccoon Glass sent me a bunch of stuff. Let's take a look and see what it is. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. This is a lanyard that got sent to me. And I'm going to give this to my daughter. Don't tell her yet. It'll be a total surprise. But yeah. It's the Nightmare Before Christmas lanyard. She will be absolutely stoked to receive this. I'm so happy to get it. Thank you, Mental Raccoon. And then, this lanyard is perfect for me because I work in pathology and we work with different biohazard stuff. So, that'll be perfect for work. That will hold my badge that I use to clock in and gain access to those secret places in the research complex. Now here, okay, empty box. Here we have a wonderfully packaged assortment. You might say it's a plethora, El Guapo. I'm just going to dump these out because each one of them are packaged because it is glass from Mental Raccoon Glass. There's more. All right. Put that over there. Let's see what we got. Careful, careful, careful. So much bubble wrap. I'm going to give that to my daughter too. She's going to love it. Whoa, careful. Oh, that's delicate. Check that out. Stay in focus. It like looks at you no matter which way you turn it. That piece of glass is always looking at you. That is so deep. Gorgeous. So that may be the centerpiece of this mobile that I make. All right, set that aside. There's more. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Mental Raccoon Glass off of the Mercari website. And these are all pendants. That's pretty sweet. Oh man. I'm going to have a hard time deciding what is going to be my centerpiece. But look at the mushrooms in that. I apologize for the glare, but that looks really wild. Beautiful glass work. Now, Raccoon told me that these are a bunch of his early pieces, but man, he had skills right off the bat. It's pretty evident, and I really appreciate his skills. All right, next. Ooh, 2 pieces. Oh, that's the DNA. The DNA pendant. See if I can get it to where it's not so glary. That's so cool. Very, very nice. Look at the colors in that. Awesome. I wish I had a macro lens that would just focus right in on this, because the camera doesn't pick up all the colors and beauty that are in this little pendant. Very cool. All right. Mental Raccoon really took a lot of care in packaging these to make sure that they would arrive intact as they left his business and came to my home. Look at this. You guys, look how beautiful that is. Wham! Oh, wow. Should that be the centerpiece? That is so cool. Now, these are one of a kind. Unfortunately, you can't get this. Nana nana boo boo. What a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Wow. That's wild. And anyway, Mental really makes his glass out of inspiration. You know, he might have a certain goal in mind, but most of the time, it is pure inspiration. Look at that. Look how deep that is. Man, I was looking forward to this one. I saw it on the website and knew right away that it doesn't, the photograph didn't come across with how beautiful the piece is. That's wild. It comes across as a little foggy, and that's because I just pulled it from outside, so it's starting to fog up a little bit. But that's so cool. Each and every one of these could be a centerpiece. I'm going to have a really, really hard time deciding how I'm going to arrange these on this mobile. What I plan to do is to take some, not silver solder, but brazing rod, and use that, drilling holes in certain specific places. Whoa, that's tiny. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't drop that. drilling holes in certain places in the brazing rods, and using like fishing swivels. That's cool. So small. Look at the depth in that. The colors are amazing. You know how it is when you try and take a photograph of like a gorgeous sunset and it just doesn't come across as, with all the colors in that sunset? Man, cameras can only do so much. Especially phone cameras. They're coming along. But yeah, it just can't capture all the beauty that the eye can. Oh, I'm so excited. Man, I bet that would catch fish. Okay, this one is wrapped up pretty tight. Wonder if I can pull it through. Kind of popped out the end there. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Check that out. Wow, that is so textured. That's wild. I don't know if you guys have ever caught Mental Raccoon live on YouTube, but yeah, check them out on YouTube, you guys. Tell them Trudge sent you. Like I've said before, you can't get this stuff off of like Amazon, you know, or Temu. This is what happens when you shop at small businesses. You get high quality, handcrafted things. I think the first thing that I bought that I saw off of YouTube was probably, well, Valhalla. At Valhalla Mythia. I bought 2 railroad spike knives off of his website after getting hold of him. And that's earlier in my library of videos. Oh man. I wish there wasn't a glare from my ceiling light fixture, because that is really, really pretty. I don't have to talk about these. I don't have to talk about them at all. They speak for themselves. Really gorgeous. Man. Mental Raccoon Glass, thank you so much. I will do wonderful things with these. And there is a fridge magnet. It's so deep. Look at that. Man, that's beautiful. All right. That's going on my fridge. Thank you, dude. All right. Moving on. We got 2 more little bundles here. There we go. So yeah, tune in later on, you guys. I'm going to be videoing or recording what I do with these and how I build this mogul. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that pendant. It's so small and delicate. The colors in it are amazing. I wish I could zoom in on that. Super deep. Wonderfully magnified. Wonder if I can catch that in the sunlight. Let's try it. That's wild looking. The reds in that are just striking. I'm not going to tell my smartphone to focus because it's just going to be stupid. I'll let it be stupid. I'm not going to stress over it. Smartphones are only so smart. Okay. Wow. Wish I was picking it up a little bit better. I don't know if the sunlight's doing much good. It's really, really super pretty. Oh, wait a minute. Jeez. Yeah, that does look really sweet. Awesome. All right. So, one more to go. I really appreciate you guys tuning in this long. It really means a lot to me as my channel gets closer and closer to 100 subs. I appreciate each and every one of you subscribers. Check that out. Beautiful teardrop shape. That's so cool looking. Mental Raccoon Glass. They're just gorgeous pieces. Like I say, he said that these are his early works. He's man. I mean, that's skills, just mad skills. Very, very cool. So yeah, check out Mental Raccoon Glass on YouTube. And check out his shop on Mercari. Those are some really, really fabulous pieces. Thank you so much, Mental Raccoon Glass. I appreciate all these. You know, support small businesses, you guys, and you'll be rewarded. Thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate it. See you soon. We'll see what we do with these guys. Ciao for now.